Do you know the names of different times of the day in English? Let's learn them together. Dawn. The first light appears before sunrise. A new day is about to begin. Morning. The sun rises and the world wakes up. It's a time of fresh energy. Noon. It's 12 o'clock. The sun is at its highest point. Afternoon. The day continues. It's bright and usually busy. Dusk. The sun begins to set. The sky glows with golden colors. Evening. The sun has set. It's time to slow down and relax. Night. The world is quiet. Time to rest under the stars. Which time of day do you like most? Tell us in the comments and follow English Bites for more.